Hi everybody. Okay, now we're going to learn how to use the Shape Tween for your animation. Alright, so this could be used for creating all kinds of different effects that could match up with your music for our project, and I'm going to show you a couple of different strategies for working with it. Alright, we're in frame 1 of layer 1. I've got the oval tool here, and let's just draw a simple circle in the middle. You can obviously change your colors here. I just left no stroke there. So the first thing we're going to do is click on it and create a shape tween. As we move along, we're just going to put a keyframe in down here, and you'll see that a shape tween, the color is green, and then you'll know that's what you're working with. You can do a few things now. We've got the direct sub selection tool here. You can click on the circle, and you're going to get the anchor points that make up that circle. You could alter these, bring them in, and essentially what Flash is going to do is all the in-between animation to morph that circle into this sort of cross shape that I've made by changing it. Okay, let's try another strategy of using let's turn this one off for now for using a shape tween. Let's take a circle again. Let's change the color, something else that might be a bit dark on our background. Let's go pink, and we'll start with a circle here, and then let's put a shape tween on it. Let's go down to 40 again, insert another keyframe. Now you can actually, with a shape tween, in the final frame here, delete that object, and you can go ahead and put a different object in altogether. It could even be a totally different color. Let's use like a yellow. And replace that circle with this polystar shape. I'm going to pick it up and move it a little bit too. And what Flash will do with a shape tween is change that circle into the polystar. Even if you wanted to go into the polystar and change up the way the anchor points are on this, you could make it more severe. You could add anchor points to it. You could really make it something that's quite spiky. Whatever you want to change it to, basically, it'll change it to something else. You can get really crazy with a shape tween too. Let's hide that layer again. Let's use this one again as an example. Blue over here, shape tween, and new keyframe. Down here, I'm going to take the add anchor point tool, add some anchor points along the side, and take the sub selection tool and really fold it onto itself. So have it do some totally wacky things where it's completely disappearing onto itself. Oh, I didn't like that one. Let's do something like whoop. Okay, cool. And over the course of time, it will actually fold onto itself and create something really cool. So that could really work with some of the music that you're trying to coordinate your animation to. Let's show all of these again, and let's watch our very short movie by hitting Command Return or Control Test. Ooh, crazy stuff. So that's how you use shape tweens, and I think there's lots of imaginative ways you could figure out how to use that in your animation. Enjoy!